Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whatever time y'all are tuning in, I certainly appreciate y'all here. Today's video, guys, we're going to be putting a tip on this blur that I got in from the TSA knives. We're going to give that thing a new edge. See, it's got a chip right there. So all we got to do, I think, is come from the bottom up to that corner right there. We really don't want to come down, because we'll make that silver, and we don't want that. We want to keep that black. So we're going to try to just give it a new edge from the bottom all the way up and get rid of that chip and give it a new point. That's all we got to do. Then we're going to come back over here and clean it up. We're going to wax the handles down. It's going to look good. But other than that, guys, it's a great knife. Somebody was just prying and abusing this knife. But these are great EDCs. They're USA-Made Kershaw Blurs is what they're called. But we're going to go over there and give it a new tip. Anyway, guys, thank y'all so much for tuning in today, and I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, guys, here's that Tanto blade. We're fitting to just go over there and give it a nice new edge up through there and get rid of that chip and form that point right there on that corner. Okay, guys, we're fixing to wax this down. Wax it. I'm gonna get some on the toothbrush and just go over it just like this. Clean every crevice. Clean this thing up. Get down in there real good. I've already cleaned it inside, but I didn't wax it. I didn't fix the blade, of course. That right there, something. I think that's where it screws. I think that's the back of the screws, but I want to make sure all right in there. Yeah, it's back of screws. See there? Just want to make sure. What this wax does, guys, it gets down in there, it just refreshes the color. That's what I like. It just makes it give it that new look. Get that wax off that blade to start with. Put this up now. Get that out of the way. See how much better that blade looks? And then we just buff it out. We'll give it a little bit more oil. That looks good, y'all. I don't believe I could have done a better job on that blade right there. I know y'all heard me say it before, guys, but if you didn't know, you wouldn't know, you know? There it is, guys. That thing looks good now. See how that wax just makes the handles look really good and rich. They feel good too. But there it is, guys. There's that tip. And I'm going to tell you, if you pick this up somewhere and you threw that thing out there like that, I'm like, man, that's a Tanto blade. I like that. I got to take that home with me now. And then you test it like that too. I'm like, man, that thing goes all the way to the end. Ain't nothing wrong with that blade. But it's been broke. But if you wouldn't know it, guess what? You wouldn't know it. And that's the truth. That thing would even fool me. And I know about it. There it is. It'll be for sale out there in Wiggins, Mississippi.
All packed up and ready to go. Hope to see y'all in Wiggins, Mississippi.
Very nice. The Blur. I might even put him a leather lanyard in there before I get out there. Pretty cool, ain't it? And guys, I have no idea what I'm doing. It's not my fault. Well, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video today. Here it is right there, guys. Now tell me, would you even know it if you didn't know it? Oh man, I love it. I really do. That is a nice knife. It really is. These are great EDCs. They're USA made, and that blade is super sharp. The serrated don't even look like it's been used. I'm telling you, the whole blade don't even look like it's been used, other than they tried to pry it. Now it's been carried some. It's got some scuff marks along there, and you can tell it's been wore because of the pocket clip. But the blade looks good, and the serrated part is nice and sharp, and they ain't got no dings. It just looks good. It's a great knife. Great knife, and I gave it that nice new point, that nice new edge. Again, that chip was there. It was gone. It's gone now. It's gone. Looks good. Looks real good. Well, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video today. I had fun with this. I love these little quick repairs. I really do. And y'all let me know what y'all think. If you wouldn't know it, you wouldn't know it. So y'all let me know if you would have known it. Anyway, that's the last I'll say that in this video. Anyway, guys, thank y'all so much for tuning in today. I want to say God bless to each and every one of y'all. Till we meet again, guys. Y'all be like a good knife. Stay sharp.
This was given to me. It was given to Wade, and it's given back to me.
Tim Neal.
Yeah, all right, Mr. Neal. But I got it repaired. It's running good, and I'm presenting it back to Wade right now.
And I appreciate it very much, Tony. Very
Oh,
much.
you
That's
very
$200. Is that right?
well, $199.
Okay. We gave you a deal.
Very, very nice.
Now, what's that
I
right
got this from Mr. Lance this morning. This made my knife.
there? Mr. Lance, he can find some good stuff now.
Yeah.
Look at that.
That USA
And that is
Damascus.
Damascus. That come from Alabama, Damascus. I can tell you where that
I
comes
love it, Mark.
Some of them,
from. Yeah.
but they're
Beautiful.
figures up.
Stag.
Yeah, the Parker. That's a nice set.
Oh, yeah. Had the little tag in here for us. You're very welcome, sir.
That's nice.
Mr. Tim.
Getting down to the flea market.
Tim Neal from South Lyons, Michigan.
Michigan. Thank you. I remember saying there's some good folks in Michigan.
Oh, they are.
Yes, they are.
And all y'all people, let's stay tuned. Never know what's going to happen up here.
I know. And you got a bunch of knives to show. Go ahead and put them right there. We'll go.